Hey guys, melons. That's what we're going to discuss about today, is how to prepare these melons. So the melon I've got today is a canary melon. These are the same family as the ones that you're probably more used to. It's like the rock melon or the honeydew. This one's a little bit sweeter than honeydew. It's kind of slightly different, probably more of a honeydew flavor than the rock melon. Oh, not the rock, yeah, the rock melon. So it's kind of in between. It has a beautiful yellow color. It's kind of the same shape, and what I'm going to show you is pretty much how you would treat a rock melon and a honeydew. So let's get this going. I'll show you the process. So normally in the kitchens we would just simply cut the top and bottom, and then we will slice and clean these using a sharp thin knife. You can use a normal cook's knife, but a thinner blade is better. But what I'll do is show you two different ways of doing this, of preparing this. So normally we would just cut and skin this all the way around like so, and we get a nice clean skin, but I'm just going to show you half of it so I can show you different options of what you can do to prepare your melon. So then after that we cut this in half, and then you got the seeds. We will prepare the non-skin one, and we just simply get a spoon and we scrape out all the seeds. And then we just trim these off. So there's different things you can do with this one. I like to just cut into wedges. You trim this off so it kind of has a nice little base, and you can slice thinly. Oh. Like so, and then you can kind of fan these out in that way. And with a pan, you can put these on your tray. Oh. And these can fan out. And if you do a whole bunch of these, you can do a green one like the honeydew, rock melon, watermelon. You do the same process, you get a nice little rainbow colored pan. The other thing you can do with these, trim this off. You could do a bigger chunk. These are cool like that. Put these back together, and these can also. So it's up to you how you want to present these, according to how you want to eat these. So that's the skinned off one. Obviously you can also chop these up and use these like a standard fruit salad. Put it in your lunchbox. These things will hold for the day in your little lunchbox, or if you can put it in the fridge, it'll be even nicer. Now, one with the skin on. What I like to do with these is first we'll get rid of the seeds. Sweat these all out. Now what you can do with these with the skin on is you can, same thing, you can cut into wedges. You can trim this off, and you can just cut along like so. And these make these cool little flowers kind of set up, and you can present them like this. You can do a whole bunch of these and stack them on top of each other. People can grab these and just eat them like that. Delicious. Or same thing, just trim these off. Cut these all the way through. Cut these down. Set these back up, and you wouldn't know what the exact word, wonkify them. Like so. You can put toothpicks on them and they present really nice like that on your platter. And yeah, there's different ways you can do it. Also in a cross way. And you can spread these out and it makes it easier for people to eat. And that's all the different ways that you can deal with your rock melon honeydews, or in this case, a canary melon. So you got these with the skin on, or in this, you can do this with watermelons. They look really cool. Or you can take the skin off, and you can fan them out and put them on a platter. They're great for fruit salads and fruit plates. It makes the humble little fruit plate look awesome. So there you go. That's what you do with your melons. If you know anybody who might benefit from this video, share it with them. All right, see you later.